Step 1. Intention crescent moon. Wudu begins with a sincere intention in the heart to prepare for prayer and worship Allah. Step 2. Washing the hands palms up together. Wash both hands up to the wrists 3 times, beginning with the right hand. Clean hands prepare the body for worship. Step 3. Rinsing the mouth droplet. Take water into the mouth and rinse it 3 times gently. A clean mouth prepares us to remember Allah and recite the Quran. Step 4. Cleaning the nose herb. Gently place water into the nose and clean it 3 times. Wudu teaches purity and cleanliness. Step 5. Washing the face sparkles. Wash the entire face 3 times, from the hairline to below the chin, and from ear to ear. The face is washed with purity and peace. Step 6. Washing the arms white heart. Wash the arms from the fingertips up to and including the elbows 3 times, beginning with the right arm. These hands are prepared for good deeds. Step 7. Wiping the head crescent moon. Wet the hands lightly and wipe the head once from the front to the back and back to the front. Wudu brings calmness to the heart and mind. Step 8. Cleaning the ears herb. Wipe the ears once using wet fingers inside and thumbs behind the ears. Clean ears remind us to listen to goodness and truth. Step 9. Washing the feet foot. Wash both feet 3 times from the toes up to and including the ankles. Every step toward prayer brings reward. Wudu cleans the body and fills the soul with peace before prayer crescent moon.